To see this progress towards the east very slowly. The reason it's moving slowly is because we do have a front that's trying to work its way through the area. But the slow moving rain does mean a flood concern. So we'll be watching this. This is Wednesday around 1. You see that cluster of storms now taking over portions of Denton and Tarrant County. At 2, we'll see this really start to develop along the eastern half of North Texas, and it's going to be very scattered in nature. That's really what's going to be the thing here over the next couple of hours. We'll see this eventually shift more towards the east. This is now around 3 on your Wednesday, and as that's happening in the mid to late afternoon, we'll see it drying out for our western counties, but our eastern counties will see a bit better coverage with this rain, a few pockets of that heavy rain, and then really does start to kind of come together in far east North Texas. That's where that flood concern is that I showed you at the top of the hour. But look at this, by around 6 on your Wednesday, the Metroplex, the I-35 corridor starts to dry out, and then we'll see dry conditions tonight. So here's that flood watch again. Remember, I told you about this at the top of the hour. Kaufman, Hunt County, Navarro County towards the east included in this until 7 for an additional 1 to 2 inches of rain that could fall today. And by the end of this evening, we could see an additional ½ inch to 1 inch of rainfall for DFW across areas of Dallas, Rockwall County, closer to about that 1 inch range. The more east you are, the higher your rain totals will be today, with about 1 to 2 inches of rain for our far eastern counties. So we'll be watching that. After today, it's dry. Thursday, Friday, Saturday, Sunday, we're looking at dry conditions, warm conditions, but look at next week. Yeah, rain chances just about every day. It won't rain the entire time, but I'm looking ahead to Monday because on Monday, we have about 30% coverage of rain. And on Monday, also the potential to see some strong to severe storms. So we'll be looking ahead to that. Timing, specific impacts are still a little bit uncertain, but of course, we'll be watching it. We'll get more data in the days to come. Your 14-day forecast showing rain coverage today of 80%, and we're definitely seeing that really start along our western half of North Texas. But look at the next several days. Dry conditions, sunshine, 70s are back. It'll stay cool today with highs in the mid 60s, and then we are looking at rain as early as Monday next week. Of course, always have that WFAA app. We'll keep you posted, Tashara.
All right, Mariel, appreciate that update.